Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to enable price alerts in Trust Wallet. So let's get started right away since the process is quite easy. The first thing to do is to make sure to check for your Trust Wallet app update. Go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. If you see an update button available, simply tap on Update to download the latest version of Trust Wallet. Once you've updated your Trust Wallet application, launch it open. Log into your account by entering your passcode and from the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the top left-hand corner. Now from the settings menu, tap on Price Alerts. To activate Price Alerts, toggle the switch next to Price Alerts at the top and allow Trust Wallet to send you notifications. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable price alerts. You can also add an individual token you would like to set an alert for by tapping on the plus icon at the top right and select the asset you would like to add in the list. Now, once you've added some assets, you will receive price alerts for every asset that's available on this list. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.